gentlemen, we're going to try a different one that's not on your paper. But there's one like this on your homework. All right, so please copy this down. It is 2 absolute value 2x plus 3 absolute value minus 2 equals 3. All right, now when I look at this, I think of what is on the outside of the absolute value sign. Jenna, there's 2 things. What 2 things?
Negative 2 and 2.
2. So I want to get rid of those. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 to both sides. This is gone, and I'm left with 2 absolute value of 2x plus 3 equals 5. And then what am I going to do?
The other side.
You could distribute, but I would just divide and get rid of the 2. And I get the absolute value of 2x plus 3 equals 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1/2 left over, or we like decimals better, right? 2.5.
That's confusing.
So you wouldn't divide 2 by the absolute.
That's too hard.
Okay, now I'm going to separate it.
That's why I don't know.
I get 2x plus 3 equals 2.5. I don't believe you guys have any that come up with decimals like this. And then you get 2x plus 3 equals negative 2.5. Stop complaining. Write this down. Now I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And I get 2x equals 0.5. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And I get x equals, Ms. Parmalee, would you do 0.5 divided by 2 for me?
That'd be 2.5.
Yes, it would be negative 0.5. You're right.
0.25.
Negative 0.25. Okay, and so I'm going to subtract 3 from this side, and I'm left with 2x equals negative 5.5. And Ms. Parmalee, will you do negative 5.5 divided by 2?
I lost
2.75.
And I get x equals negative 2.75. There won't be decimals like this much on your homework. But the point that I want you guys to look at is first you get rid of addition and subtraction, then you get rid of anything being multiplied by dividing, and then you split your absolute value.
like pins the something.
Yes,
Is it pins like good or
correct. All right. So now we're going to turn it over, but we're not going to do the one on the back. We're going to do a different one that looks more like your homework. So let's look at the back. Okay, but we're not going to do the one that's written there. We're going to do this one. The absolute deviation of x from 7.6 is 5.2. What are the values? All you're going to do is say absolute deviation. So we know we're going to use the absolute value of x is from 7.6 is 5.2. Okay? And then we just split it. We get x minus 7.6 equals 5.2, and x minus 7.6 equals negative 5.2. Then we just add 7.6 to both sides. Yep, and x equals 12.8. We add 7.6 over here, and we get x equals 2.4.